Hello, beautiful humans. Today I want to take time to say thank you to all of you for helping me pass the 500 subscriber milestone. I will be giving away 5 Theslowpath simple planners to 5 of my subscribers once I reach the 1,000 subscriber milestone. I hope to get this done in time for you to start the new year with a new slow planner. Now let's get into today's topic. Today we'll dig a little deeper into slow living and think about how busy people can live slow. We've talked about slow living, what it is and what it isn't. It doesn't mean to do everything as slowly as possible, and it's not just about simple living. Slow living is an approach to life that emphasizes enjoying a higher quality of life by slowing down everyday activities. And why do we need slow living? Well, due to careers and multi-passionate interests, being fast has always been an asset. Time economy is more important in today's society. Though it's usually a skill, the desire to be fast has over time increased impatience. Most mistakes in and outside of work come from simply doing things too fast. Do you get frustrated when someone interrupts you while you're doing something else? Being so focused on streamlining everyday tasks to be efficient that you miss things going on around you. Do you get stressed out easily and have trouble focusing on one thing at a time? Tired of not making the most of your time, especially with friends and family? We're only busy because we make ourselves feel so busy. Before we go on, I'm told I need to remind you to please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you can be reminded when I upload another video. And if you don't mind, press the like button. It allows more people to see this type of video. Thank you. Now let's get back to it. So let's talk about slow living for busy people. First, let's look at slow living for busy people at work. Implement slow living at work by only focusing on one task at a time. Sometimes we make mistakes simply because we're too fast and focused on speed rather than being careful. And having to redo a project because of mistakes not only takes more time, but it increases the frustration. When focusing on a critical task, let's turn the phone off for 5 to 10 minutes to minimize distractions instead of worrying about multitasking. And keep your space clean and organized. There's studies that show that clutter can cause stress. So keep things neat, and you will find it brings you great peace of mind. Take frequent breaks, in forms of walks around the block, or walk to grab lunch. Clear your head, and just get away from the screen. When you eat, try not to eat while watching your screen, as tempting as that is. It has become such a habit for people to be entertained while eating instead of focusing on the meal and each other. Let's see how busy people can implement slow living at home. Like at work, declutter your space. Again, a cluttered space can cause mental stress. If you need or have a storage solution, you likely have a stuff problem. If you find yourself constantly picking up, try paring down and get rid of more belongings. Don't choose your phone over your family. I know that this sounds obvious, but often we have all been in the middle of reading or scrolling only to be annoyed when interrupted for attention. Be intentional with your tech time instead of filling empty space and time with noise. Use 20 minutes after your family has gone to bed and wind down with stretching, quiet time, or meditation. Quieting your mind before going to sleep helps in getting quality sleep. Let's talk about busy people in relationships. Early in relationships, many would just watch movies, sit in front of the television all day, eating in front of the TV, snuggling in front of the TV, and even falling asleep in front of the TV, which was usually in the bedroom. Consider instead walking together, or just a quiet snuggle time. If you want background noise, choose something slow, classical, or instrumental instead of whatever is on the television. Try several days in a row where the television stays off. And with time, you can also try getting rid of it altogether. Busy people need to set healthy habits. As mentioned, no more eating in front of the television. Focus on your meal. Eat outside. Consider meal prep to make the rest of the week simpler. Or batch cooking large meals and create variety with different herbs and spices. Instead of trying to be efficient with cooking dinner, involve the family. Now be willing to get messy with this. Take your time, be engaged in the activity, and instead of thinking of it as another chore, enjoy the moment. We need slow living for happiness, health, and overall wellness. We need to slow down and be in the moment and focus on what really matters to us. Slow living for busy people is important at home, at work, in relationships, and for our health. If you're a busy person or just looking to slow down from where you're at in life at this moment, I want to challenge you to integrate slow living into your daily life. Start out slow and gradually lean into it. You will find more peace of mind and joy. Share your slow living journey with me by leaving a comment below. And until next time, be kind to yourself.